Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. I have an excellent prank for your friends and your family, especially as we approach April Fool's Day. It has everything to do with good old Vaseline. This is a 2-for-1 special right here. I got 2 pranks in one when it comes to this Vaseline. All right, first thing that you want to do, go ahead, petroleum jelly. What do y'all call it? Let us know in the comments box below. By the way, I have a ton of cleaning hacks related to this. Grab yourself some toilet paper. Okay, you're gonna want this. You're gonna want this. Then you're gonna go ahead and lift this up right here. Do you hear that? My husband is leaving. We're gonna pull this prank on him. He just left for the gym. He'll be back shortly. Okay, grab yourself some toilet paper and you're gonna tear a piece off right here. And then we're gonna use this toilet paper to dip it in our petroleum jelly. And we are going to rub it all over the seat right here. And guess what's gonna happen? Use at your own risk here. I don't want anyone sliding off and falling and getting hurt. But not only will he have this stuck to his butt, but his bum will be, I guess, nice and moisturized and healed of any dryness. So all around here we go. Rub it in as best as you can because you don't want them to lift the seat and be able to see it. There we go. I'm just gonna shut this down right here. Now let me show the other trick that you can do. I'm gonna get myself a new piece of toilet paper right here. This helps you so you don't get it all over your hands. Whoop. Now I'm gonna take a generous amount. Here we go. And then this time, I'm actually gonna put on the opposite handle. He's gonna come in this garage so he won't get this, but my kids will likely get this one. Ha 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 ha. And you're gonna rub it all around the handle right here. Now if you have a turn knob, this is especially funny because it's gonna be difficult for them to turn the knob. This one here, they're gonna put it on their hand and guess what's gonna happen? Oh, gross, what is that? And they're like, oh, that's boogers or something else. Okay, my husband just got up to use the bathroom. We're here in the office. Let's see what happens.
Oh, what the? Oh, what is this?
Simple yet unexpected is the way to go when it comes to these pranks. Give this video a thumbs up. If you love cleaning and life hacks, be sure to subscribe. Click this video next to keep the entertainment and fun going. And I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.